All right, so I am back on YouTube, and I promise that I will keep you up to date with the housing market. Right now, more than ever, the real estate market is insane. And what do I mean by that? You have so many different factors going on affecting the real estate market. But today, I want to go over the Orange County real estate market for the month of August 2023 and let you know what's going on. So, from 2019 pre pandemic to today, a loaf of bread has increased by 55%. A lot of people are feeling the inflation that's going on right now. Used cars are up 41%. And if you like McDonald's, Big Macs are priced at $3.79 in 2019 compared to $5.17 today. So, with that being said, obviously prices are getting a little bit expensive and people are getting priced out of the real estate market. So, the housing market is no exception. According to Freddie Mac's home price index since the summer of 2019, the Los Angeles Orange County Metro has increased a whopping 40% as home prices climbed. What was considered entry level to home ownership slowly diminished over time. So, I wanted to get into the data real quick. So obviously, if you know anything about the housing market, interest rates are super high. They continue to climb, and there are no homes for sale because people are hanging on to that 3% interest rate. A lot of people have interest rates below 5%, but the data illustrates just how severe the shortage of lower range homes has become. So in 2023 through July, 77% fewer homes were placed on the market below 500,000 compared to the 3-year average before COVID. There were 74% fewer between 500,000 and 750,000. From 750,000 to 1 million, 40% fewer homeowners opted to sell. So in total, that's below 1 million. There have been 12,404 missing for sale signs. Yet above 1 million, there were 16% more sellers, an extra 1,054. So due to fewer sellers in the lower ranges, the active listing inventory has plunged to unprecedented levels. So this has gone back all the way to 2004. We haven't seen these levels of nothing coming for sale, but I don't want to bore you. With that being said, there are a lot of people waiting on the sidelines. So right now, it could be an opportunity to negotiate with sellers. Keep in mind, everyone's time frame to purchase a house is different, whether they have a growing family or they have kids moving out of the house, they want to downsize or upgrade. So with that being said, right now there's more 33-year-olds looking to purchase homes more than ever, but the lack of affordability is really showing. So although we do have a lack of inventory as interest rates continue to climb, it is slowly diminishing buyers out of this market. So with that being said, do you think we're going to see prices slowly tick down as demand diminishes, or do you think that the lack of supply is going to keep home prices propped up? And there's a lot of news media out there, especially on YouTube, saying that the housing market is going to crash. I can tell you this, just being a real estate agent, I can see and I know a lot of people just waiting on the sidelines for the market to cool down just to see what direction it goes. And if interest rates do go back to 5-6%, you're going to see a lot of homeowners willing to trade and sell houses that they potentially bought in 2020 just to get in the market and trade up or trade down. So if we do see those interest rates come down, probably in 2024. I remember at the beginning of this year, we had a lot of mortgage officers trying to predict the future and saying by the end of this year, we'd see interest rates down in the 5%. I just don't see that happening. So just to bring everything in, since the the Great Recession, it has been one of the weakest years in terms of closed units, not values. And I can say this first-handedly. Business is down, and I expect it to be down probably until mid-2024 until we see a little shakeout. So sales were down 33% compared to the 3-year average before the pandemic. 5,730 fewer homes below 500,000 were off by 75%. Homes from 500,000 to 750,000 were off by 66%. So for buyers anticipating more homes in the affordable price ranges coming on the market soon, it is simply not in the cards. The number of opportunities diminishes over time. Buyers who wait will be confronted with fewer available options to purchase. More and more homes are surpassing the 1 million threshold. In 2013, there were 12,075 detached single-family homes sales below 750,000. 66% of all detached closed sales compared to 6,753 in 2019, or 37%. So there have only been 374, or 5% of all closings through July this year. The lack of homes available in the lower ranges combined with fewer homes placed on the market has resulted in extremely hot market times for all home prices below $1 million. And just at the beginning of this year, I had buyers looking in Mission Viejo, and homes were around $1 million, 1.1, and now they're trading in the 1.4 range, which is bananas. With that being said, keep in mind it's not always advisable to jump into the housing market just to scoop up real estate. There are cycles, this one being more unpredictable than ever due to economic conditions. And I think that it's teetering right now. There could be, you never know, a black swan event. But with that being said, we're looking at data, and the data shows that the lack of inventory is keeping prices chugging along. When does that stop? No one knows. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this out there. I think we're going to see a bottom in the housing market probably in mid-2024. For myself, I will be looking to purchase in December of 2023, and I think that we will see more buyers get off the sidelines and more people adjust with higher interest rates, just because we got so accustomed to 3%, 4% rates. It's just going to take time for buyers to get used to 6%, 7%. But anyways, if you haven't seen my videos before, please like, subscribe. My name is Kyle Olson. I am a real estate agent as well as a real estate investor. My goal for this YouTube channel is to keep you in the loop with the housing market on a macro scale as well as a micro scale. And I will also letting you know what I do personally with my own personal real estate. So my next video might be about a house of mine that I have for sale. I will let you know and we'll go from there. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.